How to refer a friend in DraftKings. Here's how you can do it. You have all of these different DraftKings platforms, and underneath them you can see the invite now button. So what you have to do is sign into your account, and here's how it works. You invite friends, so you send your personal referral link to friends through email, text, Twitter, or Facebook, any way you want to send it. If your friends sign up and deposit from your link, you can have friends sign up and make a qualifying deposit, and you will receive your reward. So once your friend deposits and complete any other stated qualifying action, you'll both receive your reward. So it's not only going to be for you, but it's also going to be for your friend. So here I'm on the DraftKings website, so I'll just go search for refer a friend DraftKings, and you can see all of these different platforms. You can even scroll to the side, and if you click on invite now, this is going to generate the link for you, and that's how you do it if you log into your account. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.